Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have an absolute peach here. It's a 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Absolutely brilliant color here. It's green with a green-black interior, 351, and it is actual mileage at just over 20,000 miles. This thing is gorgeous. We don't have many of these green Mach 1s coming in. Usually, as you probably know, some of the yellows and reds. But this is sweet. Interior is gorgeous. Go ahead and jump back to the trunk. Pop her open right here. We got some manuals back here. Out of the car shop, all 5 volumes. Just gorgeous. Grab a key from there. All right, let's go ahead and jump up here to the front seat. Check her out here. Just brilliant. All right, let's go ahead, hop open the hood, take her for a spin, put her on the hoist. Got the Mustang here. Take her for a spin. Takes that bump real nice. AC is blowing nice and cold. And we are cruising. Takes that turn real nice. Let's go ahead and give her some speed there. Very, very nice. Do a little brake check. Nice. No pulling. Nothing like that. Alright, let's go put her on the hoist.